All right, welcome to today's lesson. What I'm going to be working on with you today, right now, is going to be finding percents using the proportion method. And with the proportion method, a couple of things is by the end of this, you're going to be able to use proportions to solve percent problems, hopefully also with equations. So think of part over whole, percent over 100, and that should be an easy thing for you to remember. Is over of, remember I comes before O in the alphabet, and percent over 100. So I like to put 100 in the bottom right-hand corner always. Three different types of questions that you're going to be doing today is when you're going to be finding a percent. Like sales tax is similar to example A. 28% of your income is going to be spent on taxes, those type questions. B is when you're be finding percents. This could be with grades. This could be what percent of your income is spent on going to the movies, going out to dinner, etc. And the last one is where you're given the amount and the percentage. You're trying to find the whole. That's an example sales tax was $1.25 and it was a 7% sales tax. How much was the item? So these types of questions are the three that we're going to see today. The first one we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding 28% of 52,500. So let's imagine that somebody's making 52,500 a year. We want to find out how much is going towards taxes and any other types of deductions. So what I like to do is I like to start off with 100 on the bottom. I always put my percentage right above 100. Then I got to make a decision. Does this number 52,500 go on the top or bottom? Take a real quick guess. The correct answer is on the bottom because it says of 52,500. So we're going to do a little bit of multiplication here. We're going to cross multiply and we're going to multiply these two numbers and we're going to multiply 100 by x. And I like to show my equation there. Play a little background music as I'm getting set up here. So you're going to get 100x equals 1,470,000. You divide by 100 on both sides. And that's the answer you should get is 14,700 to dissipate on this one. Key thing is make sure that you're dividing by 100. Sometimes people might forget this last step. The next type right here is, well, looks like I've got it set up for you. And it's 320 is what percentage of 1140. So on this one, if you notice, I'm already a step ahead of you. I've got the x over 100, and I've got the 320 over the whole amount. I did my cross multiplication already. And with this, I came up with 32,000. And with this one right here, I got a 1,140 equals x. And taking a look over here, you can kind of get an idea of some of these answers right here. And I'm not even sure if the correct answer is up there or not. So bear with me if I made a mistake here. But yeah, 28.07. Of course, there's a little bit more to that one, but that's what's rounded. And don't forget your percentage sign. And good estimation is you should be able to do 10, 20% of some numbers to give you an idea. That 10% of this right here is 114. If you double that, that's 228. So um, should be pretty close. All right, and the last one. The last one we have 780 is 42% of what number? So as I'm getting set, why don't you try this one also? Okay, so I got to make the decision. Should I put x over 100? No, I should not. Why not? Question is this is 42%, so I want to put that first right there. 780. It seems like most of the time we have the number down here, but this says is, so that's going to go on top, and your variable is going to go on the bottom. And again, as I'm setting up, we have some possible answers over here to the side that you can take a look at as I'm typing in the answers. So take a look. And I hope that I didn't make any mistakes right here. But when I divide it by 42, I should be able to get And I'm going to double check for you. I'm sorry about holding you up right here. But I'm going to divide by 42. And I'm going to get, hey, I made a mistake. And I'm going to put the decimal here. And I'll put a 4 over here. Now, just to think about this one, it's kind of good that I did make a mistake. 780, if you double this one right here, you're not going to get $185, you know, if you're thinking 50%. So I think it was probably good that I did make a mistake. And you're going to get $1,857.14. So hopefully you'll figure out why I'm playing the song Move It, Move It, and hope that you enjoyed it, and good luck with it.